Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Wednesday, September 2. 10 farmers groups from vulnerable farming communities in Clarendon, St. Thomas, St. Ann, Manchester and Trelawney have been provided with hand tractors to boost their productivity. It's also in keeping with the government's climate change adaptation program. The 22 hand tractors were donated by Food for the Poor as part of the GOJ Adaptation Fund program.
This synergistic relationship between Food for the Poor and the ministry can only help to deepen the impact of our efforts as we leverage our resources and we work towards enhancing the resilience of the agricultural sector, thereby contributing to economic stability, livelihood, security, and sustained development of the country as a whole.
The Agriculture Minister says $92 million has been spent under the GOJ Adaptation Fund program to build farmers' resilience against climate change.
The project's interventions stimulated an incremental increase in production of over 7,500 metric tons of produce, particularly onions, potato, and hot peppers, among other crops. This contribution contributed just under $1 billion to the livelihood of the farmers.
St. Thomas residents are being urged to treat water for domestic purposes in order to prevent waterborne illnesses and maintain good health. The urging comes from the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SARA, as more people have to collect and store water in the face of ongoing drought conditions. SARA says that only treated water should be used for drinking or making drinks, washing fruits and vegetables, making ice, preparing food, and washing dishes and utensils. People also need to wash their hands using treated water before doing any of those activities. In the meantime, the Southeast Regional Health Authority says surveillance data for the past 5 weeks reveals no increase in gastroenteritis cases in St. Thomas. The St. Thomas Health Department will continue its surveillance activities as well as health promotion and water quality monitoring to ensure the health of the residents. Water can be made safe by treating with household bleach or by boiling. Meanwhile, in response to intermittent rainfall coupled with the increased collection of water, the Health Ministry is carrying out fogging to prevent mosquito-borne diseases. The ministry's teams are in several Kingston and St. Andrew communities from August 31 to September 5. They will be in Papine and Tavern tomorrow before heading to Old Stony Hill Road, Montgomery and Orange Grove on Friday. Activities continue in Lawrence Tavern on Saturday. The climate change park being built in Portmore is now the Hagen-Portmore Climate Change Park after its official groundbreaking and name change recently. The infrastructure is being developed with a new partnership from Germans who reside in the city of Hagen and will boast a number of key features.
When fully developed, the Climate Change Park will demonstrate several elements of climate change mitigation and adaptation. From the mitigation standpoint, the objective is for the park to be powered by renewable energy, with all buildings in the park powered by mini windmills as well as solar panels.
Water fountains in the park will be supplemented by tanks for rainwater harvesting. The new partnership has been hailed by local government minister Noel R. Scott.
This initiative will not only drive the objectives of climate change management and awareness, but will also strongly enhance community development.
The tourism sector is expected to receive a big boost following a successful staging of Jamaica House Beijing in China. The Jamaica Tourist Board JTB established the promotional space in China dubbed Jamaica House Beijing. Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil used the opportunity to meet with leading travel and tourism stakeholders, including representatives from Air China, Hainan Airlines, China Travel Service, CAISA, and American Airlines. He returned to the island on Sunday with high praises for the nation's athletes, whose 12-medal haul had a considerable and positive impact on brand Jamaica. The JTB is planning follow-up meetings with the Chinese tour operators and travel agents with whom they interfaced during the 4 days of Jamaica House Beijing promotions. And finally, the House of Representatives resumed sittings after the summer recess yesterday with the introduction of the State of the Constituency debate. The new parliamentary feature was introduced to give MPs wider participation in the House, while shortening the sectoral debate presentations which took place earlier this year. The State of the Constituency debate will take place every Tuesday and Wednesday until September 16, facilitating 48 presentations. A statement on Parliament's website indicates that the debate will allow reviews of the 2015-2016 budget and the MPs' take on next year's budget, reportedly up for discussion at a cabinet retreat planned for the end of September. Yesterday's debate included presentations from government MPs Andre Hilton, Michael Phillips and Paul Buchanan, opposition MPs Audley Shaw and Delroy Chuck. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamar McHale. Thanks for watching.